Now let's move on to the next topic and look at the concept of deadlock. Deadlock is a situation that occurs in operating system when any process enters a waiting state because another waiting process is holding the demanding resource. Deadlock is a common problem in multiprocessing where several processes share a specific type of mutually exclusive resource known as soft lock or software. The figure here will make it easy for you to understand the concept. Now moving on to the handling of deadlock. Deadlock is a situation where a process or a set of processes is blocked, waiting for some other resources that is held by some other waiting process. It is an undesirable state of the system. The following are the four conditions that must hold simultaneously for a deadlock to occur. Mutual exclusion. A resource can be used by only one process at a time. If another process requests for that resource, then the requesting process must be delayed until the resource has been released. Hold and wait. Some processes must be holding some resources in non-shareable mode and at the same time must be waiting to acquire some more resources which are currently held by other processes in non-shareable mode. No preemption. Resources granted to a process can be released back to the system only as a result of voluntary action of that process after the process has completed its task. Circular wait. Deadlocked processes are involved in a circular chain, such that each process holds one or more resources being requested by the next process in the chain. This figure here is explaining the deadlocks in a nutshell. And this is all for the presentation. Thank you. Hope you had a good learning session.